Okay, so shall we start today's thing? So what do you want to learn? What is the thought process today? What do you want to learn today? Any questions? What do you have? If anybody was to ask any questions? What questions anybody has? So you said one more session, 25 onwards. Already we attend in class. Will market break the previous low? Will Nifty go further? Same questions. What is the understanding of Nifty? Can we learn relative valuation means when within one sector ranking of two stocks? Relative valuation. Okay, that's not a very easy question to answer in a 1 hour time. How the COVID impact step by step value of stocks. That you have to do the class, Mahesh, to value it takes about 3-4 hours. It cannot be taught in 1 hour. All the money government, various governments, where is it gone? How to identify a multi-bagger? Mr. Ashok Banerjee, everybody is learning to identify a multi-bagger only. If you knew which is the multi-bagger, I don't think so I would be teaching you. What we are learning, everybody is learning, Mr. Ashok Banerjee, is that how to identify one, right? So that is what we teach. So all the 5 principles helps you to identify a multi-bagger. Seem to have a problem. I want to know how to use Nifty strategy. Enter the sell, call in Nifty. Is it still good? No, it is not good anymore, Rajesh. Too late now. The market is already fallen by 700 points. Too late to enter the Nifty strategy. Now it is time to book profits actually. Do we have to keep chemical scripts still? Tell us how to use maximum through dynamic level application, how to find intrinsic value. Okay, so basically we obviously we should first see the markets. This is a very important time. So let's see the markets first. So basically you have to understand one thing, that India markets works primarily, on the Nifty open interest. That is why people, if you see the India stock market, if you know the Nifty open interest, you can predict the market better. So I highly recommend that you should know the Nifty open interest. How many people in this group, let me ask, how many people in this group understand Nifty options? Say yes if you understand, don't say no. Only people who understand Nifty options, Nifty futures, derivative market. 4, 5, only 4 people who understand. Yes, mostly 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 11. We have 60 people, so I would really request that if you can actually say if you understand open interest. So basically, if you see out of 62 people here, only 11 people understand Nifty. So till the time you don't understand Nifty, it is very difficult. So what I recommend you is that you should learn about Nifty from the NISM exam. We can send you the workbook. So first get the basics. Once you understand the basics, then it will be easy for you to understand the strategy. Okay, so we have already sent the workbook to all. You read the workbook. Okay, that is recommended by the National Institute of Securities Management, I think so. So basically it's a SEBI body which gives certain workbooks which makes you understand about the derivative market. So I highly recommend that you get that. So if you want, you just call up Prateek because you're already a customer and he will send you. It's free of cost. You can download yourself also, but we can send it. We can send it. You just send a message to Prateek, and Vikash, there are 62 people here. You can just send them, right?
Okay, yes, we can send them.
Just send them the workbook. No?
Okay, Tamalda will send them to all.
Yeah, Tamalda is there?
Yeah, Tamalda is there.
Tamalda, please send this to 62 people, all the workbooks, so that they understand the basic. So first thing, your ability to learn. If you want to learn, that is the first thing you have to be there. If you want to learn Nifty, first learn the basic. Okay, they will send you Santoshi. They will send you today. To learn from the basic book, where that understanding that what is Nifty, what is option, what is derivative, what is futures, because only 11 people know that. See, why people lose money in the stock market is because they don't spend time learning. They are dependent on brokers, they are dependent on TV, they are dependent on CNBC and Economic Times to give them very good calls. It doesn't work like that. If you want to make money in the stock market, you have to learn. So if you know the basic, then you can understand my strategy, what we are teaching you. Because if you don't understand open interest, then I can't teach you the strategy, right? So open interest means the positions taken by the smart investors and by the uneducated clients. So clients always lose money and F2 and arbitrages are always making money. So you should follow always their cycle, right? So at 9,500, the sell call came and it is 8,800. Okay. So definitely, and if you see, there is a very big support also, which is this one.
820.
Sorry?
8820.
820, and that is exactly the low which was made yesterday. I think so. Now
806.
start booking profits. Yesterday, if you study the contract was 2,45,000 contract short. Right? In this clearing, they have short 2,30,000 contracts. Please show it to them. It is on the app. If you see, it is 2,47,000 contract. As I said, go down. When the clearing started, they had 10,000 contract. Now they have 2,40,000. That means they have taken a position of more than 15,000 crore rupees. 15,000 crore rupees of short position in me. So now maybe they will go to book profits. They will go to book profits. Okay. So if they go to book profits, then you have to understand that, time to book profits. Now, why I'm telling you to book profit is because I'll tell you, because of the India position, India is not even following Americas in the last 3 days. America has already gone up. But India is, because of the huge positions, short position taken by the Indian counterpart, so the market is not going up. But I think so now book profits because we are getting 700 points. Why I'm telling you profit? Because if you see American chart, and today we have to see the data also.
One more thing, sir. As our strategy says, we have to exit 1 day before the expiry.
It is time, na? It is still time. They have 10 days. I'm telling them to exit today only.
Yeah.
So if you see from the last 4 days, Nifty is going up, as S&P is going up 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And since the last 4 days, Nifty is going down. So this 4 days, America is up and India is down. It is already 8 days. Huh? So this is becoming dangerous now. It is becoming dangerous. So either S&P has to fall today, but if S&P makes a new high, because yesterday they have done the first level of testing for Moderna vaccines. So that is why, yesterday the market went up so sharply. Because it was a gap up opening and they were not able to book profits, they again sold the market today. So the profit booking might come. If America gives a breakout, then I think so it's a good time to exit Nifty. Anybody, I don't know how many people have taken, because many customers have made a huge amount of money in this strategy. So I highly recommend that you should buy this strategy, because every time you'll have this question, what do I do with the market? And Nifty open interest is the best way to know about the market. Okay, Nifty is the best way to understand what is the trend of the market. So reading that workbook, understanding futures options and trading in Nifty is very, very important. And are we clear? Not clear? Today we will show you something very important to learn is the mutual funds. Okay. Now what happens is the mutual fund data, the shareholding pattern is released by the company every quarter. Can you change the slides please to mutual fund?
Yeah.
Every quarter the data comes. Okay. So on 31st March, they have to give the data in 21 days. In 21 days. So they were supposed to give everything by 21st April. So if it is June shareholding data, then it has to come by 21st July. If it is a September data, it has to come by 21st October. If it is a December data, it has to come by 21st of January. Due to the COVID situation, this time the government extended it to 15th of May. 15th of May. So most of the companies have declared the shareholding. Today is 19th of May. Once the shareholding comes, we understand. Now, if you can see, when is the institutional holding coming data? Please read. This is a regulation 31 of SEBI, which I'm showing you on the slide. Okay. They were supposed to give the data by 21st of April, but because of COVID, they extended till 15th of May. Now, 15th of May, most companies have already given the shareholding of data. Okay, we found out because the data comes from our vendors. So we already have received data of how many companies?
410.
We have already received the data of 410 companies. How many companies we have received the data? 410 companies. Within the next 3-4 days, I think so, most of the companies' shareholding will be updated in the app. So is this is updated in the app, right? Because 410 companies.
Yes. I have to check once.
So probably because if the data comes, it automatically gets updated in the app. So 410 companies shareholding data is already updated in the app. Now, when the shareholding comes, what is that you need to see? What is that you need to learn is what we will teach you. Are you interested? You will understand what mutual funds are doing, what institutions are doing. This is very, very important. Okay, so this is the new teaching which I will be sharing from 25th to 28th. We have 69 people. I highly recommend, please attend my 5-day program starting from 25th. Okay, it's not because I am giving the program, because I will be sharing experience of my 25 years with you. So experience has a lot of meaning. There is something called sharing of knowledge, and there is something called sharing of experience. Experience is how do we decide many things in the financial markets. Okay, so I definitely recommend attend the program from 25th to 28th. And for our customers, the program is only 5,000 rupees for 5 days. But I'm telling you, you will really love the program. Okay, you would attend the program, and I'm so confident that on Friday evening, on 23rd 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 29th, if you do not like the program, I will give you 5,000 rupees back. You just tell Pratik and I will give you back. But that is not going to happen. I've already trained more than 250 people, and everybody has understanding has become much deeper, right? So we will share the mutual fund data because this is the right time to share, because
Yes.
15th May was the last date and today is 19th May. I'll share data of which companies mutual funds are buying, selling, so you can keep a note. Go to the data, please.
Yes. This is annual change from March 19 to March 20. And this is for institution. This is for MF.
Yes, you should, Amit, you should still attend my program 5 days. That is a detailed program. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. So this is an annual data. That means from 19 March to 20th March, annual MF and institution. And quarterly MF and institution. From December to March 20.
This is the change.
Change, yes. Change in institution, change in MF.
Change in
mutual fund, change in MF.
first, what is the buying? Show it from top now.
Yeah.
Show from top.
Keep it for buy, hold, and should we remove, sell? And
no, wait.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you see, this is the highest sharing change, right?
Total institution, yeah. What?
Have you converted this into rupees the way we convert?
No. We have not converted in rupee.
Okay, so basically, if you see, let's study each share, because we only got the data today, but we are sharing the data, but we'll be sharing the full knowledge in the class. Okay, so highly recommend attend the class, but we'll share what is the benefit. So if you see KEI, okay, the quarterly change in institution holding is 9%. And quarterly change in MF is 5.32%. They can do this on the app also, right?
Yes.
On the app, this KEI is coming on the app. Show it to them.
Yeah.
Make it more than 8%.
Or should I make it more than 1%? So
No, 8%. आएगा नहीं ना 8% करो एक बार.
Okay.
KEI. So you can also do this on the app also. It's not that I have it. You can do it yourself in the app also, because somebody needed training. So if we go to stock screener,
in stock screener, we have to come to institution.
they have updated the latest one.
In stock page, they have updated.
But I don't think so. They've done it in the screener.
Can we try once to see?
Let's try, because if it is not, it will come here, because the data has only come on 15th. So they take 3-4 days to update it. But I'll show you. Just check which date are they showing.
Yeah, we are taking quarterly MF growth.
Yeah, greater than 8.
No, I think they have not used.
So they have not updated. Just do it.
No, they have not updated.
So we will update it, today. So my team, whoever is seeing the program, just tell Ramanan to update it. So it takes 4-5 days to update it, but we have the data. The same data will get updated. So you can go to the stock screener and see the data. Okay. So if you see KEI, the quarterly quarterly MF is 5%. You took MF or you took, which one did you take in the app?
MF as, okay, I should do it with MF.
You should do 5.
MF, sorry, I have to take institution there. Sorry.
Yeah.
I have to take institution. Just a second. Let me try here with institution.
This is yearly.
Yeah, yearly.
Yearly, no, quarterly. No?
Yeah, quarterly institution. KEI is coming, but it will not filter out the March 20 and December.
We should show March, na March 20.
Yeah, that we have to adjust it. That we have to make it in app.
So we will do it for you. We'll show you the data. We'll make sure that you get it in the app also. Okay. And we will train you on the training day or next. Whenever we do the next training, I will train you this. Go to the app. Let them understand. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
So if you see MF has bought, but the total institution is not changed. That means they have bought and it was sold by FPI. Total institution
Change
is
in
not
hands.
changed. It is a change of hands, so there is no change. So what you have to see is you have to see both. Okay. So next one, if you see BEL,
Bharat Electronics.
Bharat Electronics 5%, there is a change also. Then KEI, we have a buy, and it is. So definitely KEI looks very, very promising. Huh? Institutions are still entering. It's a great stock, KEI. Next is VMart. If you see, we are on hold. Then definitely IEX also looks good, strong buy. Cholafun looks very good, strong buy. Canfin Home looks very good, strong buy. And what are the changes? This one, Radico, we have a buy. The next one, MCX. These are also good. But if you see this one, this is dangerous. Huh? CCL. It is 3.54, but the institution have sold 4.03. So I'll show you in the app. Go to the stock page, CCL. So I'll show you how to see the data in the stock page. How to see the institution. CCL.
Yes.
Yeah, March 20. If you see total, if you see the total institution itself, MF is buy. MF is buy. This is ऊपर वाला yearly है ना? पीछे वाला दिखा रहा है. 1 second. Don't move, please.
Yeah.
So if you see in quarterly, MF is buy, but the institution is sold. Because if you check, FPI is sold 8%. So you have to check the net is not good. Net, you have to see the net institution also. So what happens is in many places, what I've seen, money control or many people, they give you only institution data and you will get trapped. You should see institution data and you should see the total. So if you see here, MF has bought, but FPI has sold. So the net change is actually net, there is a sell. So mutual funds are not the only data to see when you see the shareholding pattern. Be very, very careful. I have personally lost some money here. I bought certain shares which mutual fund was buying. And then I checked the share was going down. Why it was going down? Because net institution is selling, FPI was selling. So mutual funds also make a mistake. They are not God, they are people only. Net change is very important in the app. Okay, so it is updated. March 20 will update the yearly also and will also update from last quarter also. So it is very important to check. Even in yearly, if you see, it is reduced, and even in the quarterly, it is reduced. So if it is reducing in yearly, it is reducing in quarterly. That means you have to be very, very. And even if the mutual, this is not a good share. Okay, so this is available on the app. People sometimes don't know how to see mutual funds. Correct? So I'll go. Let's go to the Excel. Okay, so you make both plus, both plus.
Yes. $139 companies.
Okay, so 8%, but not much in institution. You have to always check the total institution and the mutual fund. That means there is a net increase by different institutions. Now, what are the different institutions? Show them the PPT.
Yes.
Show them the PPT. Who are the different mutual funds in the country? Mutual fund, alternate investments, foreign portfolio, financial insurance companies, provident fund. All these are different mutual funds in the country, right? So MF is only one part, FPI is another part, and then there are others, and then the total. Okay, so you have to see MF is also buying and the institution is also buying. That is the right way to know that which shares they are buying and which shares they are selling. Okay, this is very, very important. Let's go to the, let's take some questions. Anybody has any questions? People are most asking for the 25th program. See, what I have realized is all my programs, you know, because of the content, because of the question, because of the learning, it becomes very, very different. Okay, so highly recommend that you see the videos, make questions and attend the program so that next time it will be much easier. This is what I can tell you, Sham, Ramdin and Abraham Chandi. This is what I will recommend. Rest is definitely your choice. I'm teaching you, Meghnad ji, how to see mutual fund right now. How to see mutual fund. So we have many things in the app, Meghnad ji. So every week I show you, like last week we showed you how to do Nifty. This week I'm showing you to do how to use mutual funds for investment purposes. Okay. Yes, Chandan, you have a question. Can you put Chandan online?
Yes, sir. Yes, Chandan, you can speak now.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Chandan.
Sarish, I just want to understand. So sometimes the SEBI says that you cannot buy a certain stocks for NRIs and institutions. What is the reason for that? Like the other day, I wanted to buy HDFC Bank. So I was told for NRIs, it is not, NRIs can't buy that. So what is the reason for that?
Because
Ceiling is given because
74% can be held by NRIs and foreign institutions.
Okay.
So when 74% are already bought by NRIs and foreign institutions, there is no more outside buyer can come, but Indians can buy.
Okay.
There is
So
no
this
rule for Indian. This is rule for NRIs and FPIs cannot buy after a certain level.
So this is a rule for all the shares, or it's only for
shares
Certain
if
shares.
it has reached the 74% limit.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Okay, what weightage can you give? See, what happens is that whenever you buy a share, a strong buy, Parag, when you do the 5 principles, now what happens is you just go and check the mutual fund also. So if there is mutual fund buying in that share, that means, and if they are buying in the quarter, that means your thinking and the...
I'm in a meeting. Could you call up later, please?
And so if your thinking and the mutual fund thinking is same. So if you have that, then you know even if the share falls, there will be certain mutual fund managers which will come and buy that stock. So your stock will not fall very low. Okay, they will always come because they are buying into it. So whenever you decide, you can just, it's a parameter, you know, mutual funds are also there. I'm not playing against the mutual fund, and this is the total mutual fund. Okay, yeah, it's a next level check. Next level check to give you a good thing. So So now because the mutual fund data is there, so 25th, we'll have the latest data. So I want to spend time. So whenever we have the latest data and whenever I do the program, I spend at least 1-2 hours sharing the entire mutual fund data. Okay. We don't send this in Excel sheet. This is all available in the app already, Mrinal Kanti, because this gets updated every day. So we don't give these Excel sheets to anyone. We are not allowed also from the vendors. How good is to differentiate quarterly change in MF? It's important because in the last 3 months, you know that they are buying that stock. If you know they are buying that stock, that means, something is good. And then if you see, you can categorize, right? You can go and check, okay, I have already said certain shares are strong buy. So if certain shares are strong buy and then there is mutual fund buying also, that means you have another advantage. You have another confidence that I am with the mutual funds. Because mutual funds does a lot of thorough analysis of certain companies, right? So your thinking matches with them. Okay, so now if you see another good thing, there are many companies, if you see, it is hold. So what you can do is that when it is hold, you can keep an eye. So if the mutual funds are buying and it is hold, and if the quarterly results becomes better and it changes from hold to buy after the quarterly result, then you can also enter. Like BL, okay, but has BL results come? Just check.
Yeah. BHEL, na?
BL, see BEL, check it. Check BEL, NH के नीचे.
Yes. Yeah, BEL.
Yeah, not BEL, BEL.
Yeah, BEL come. 5% growth in MF and 3.
So please show whether the March 20 results have come.
March 20 results. Okay.
Results, not shareholding.
Okay.
Shareholding is come, we can see. So why it is important is because that is why June quarter will be very important, because there will be a lot of churning by the mutual funds. Wherever they will be scared, they'll be selling those shares and they'll be entering into new shares. You'll get a very good idea, when the result, when it comes down on 21st of July, if they don't delay it, so we will know what is the change in June quarter. And that is going to be a very, very important time. Okay, so understanding mutual fund results helps you, gives you confidence that I am into a good share. If you see in my exit criteria, can you put in my exit criteria one? Yeah, what is it? Has it come? Results not come.
No.
So if you see, BEL results have not come. So presently it is showing hold with March 19 results. But the mutual funds have bought that share. Now, if March 20 results becomes better and it changes to buy, then what happens is you have double confirmation that the mutual funds are buying and the share after March 20 results have also gone to buy. So you have double confirmation and then you can enter that stock. It's a very interesting thing if you study the mutual funds and study the category and the 5 principles and mix it. It's an additional, again, I'm telling you, it is not a fundamental data. Please remember this. This is not fundamental analysis. This is just a confirmation that I am, yes, it is like an additional safety net, or you can check, Sumesh, that's correct, or you can check that you have a very strong army with you. So even if the share falls, there is some mutual fund which is going to buy that share. Okay, so it will help you to think more clearly. It will give you more confidence in buying a particular stock. Again, I'm repeating, it is not a fundamental data. It does not replace the 5 principles. People who have done class, after doing the 5 principles, this is another level of understanding which you put to buy the mutual fund. Others is which I shown. Others is show the PPT once.
Yeah.
So the data, as per government rules, the data is only given for mutual funds and foreign institution investors. These two people, Amardeep, have to give the data compulsorily. But the other people, they don't need to give the data. So they all combined comes as others. You will get mutual fund data, you will get FPI data, which is compulsory. All others are not compulsory. So they come in others and then the total institution. That is why we have 4 lines in the app. We have 4 lines in the app. So we have MF and FPI because this is declared. Others is a combination. It is not declared. It is not declared publicly to anyone. So nobody knows. So we keep them others and then we have the total. Yes, we have to see the net change, whether positive or negative. So if all 3 are buying, that is the best. What we have checked from our backtesting strategies are FPI is buying, MF is buying, FPI is foreign portfolio, MF is buying, and then the total is also buying. Total also has increased. That means everybody is super bullish about that stock. F2 or FPI is the same thing. Mr. Madhusudan Babu, F2 and FPI is the same word. Okay, foreign portfolio investors. In BL, FPI has gone down last quarter. So then you can think, okay, FPI is selling. So show BEL, show BL, this is BEL.
Yes.
So BEL,
Slightly.
March, slightly they have gone short, yeah, but the mutual funds have bought, there is a total increase. So the as per the intelligent investors, the total have increased. But if you get all 3, one, this is also quarterly, MF is also plus, FPI is also plus, and institution is also plus. That is super. That is very, very good. So this data, again I repeat, is not a fundamental data. Okay, it is an additional area which will give you confidence that you're not playing against the mutual fund or the FPI or institution market, because they are very, very powerful. Okay, so this gives you a lot of understanding. People are asking me what are the 5 principles. 2 people asked, Mrinal Kanti and Mitesh Shah. Please show them the first page.
Yes.
You put any share name, Santoshji, you will get. It is updated for 1500 companies. Not this, not this.
Okay, app. Okay. Sorry.
Prasanna Desai, we don't discuss personal shares. It is it's all given in my app. Just go in the app. That is my view. You select Prasanna ji, select company. You will know hold, buy. What is my view? How can we know that F2 MF buy sell is there in any app like NSE, BSE? Thanks. How can we come to know? This is available. It's a public data. It's all available in NSE, BSE also. And who's this anonymous attendee? What's your name, sir? Anonymous attendee. Are you my customer? Okay, Mitesha, these are the 5 principles on the top of the app. Valuation, action, long-term, using growth risk. These are the 5 principles. These are the 5 principles. We don't discuss personal shares here, Mr. Abraham. It's very difficult. I can discuss concept. If I start discussing personal shares, it will take a long time. Okay. So let's go back to mutual funds. Let's see each share now.
Yes.
So definitely first I will put all the buy and strong buy ko put kar de pehle. Okay, and both are plus, right?
Yeah, both are plus.
How many companies are there?
48.
So you can take a picture of 48 companies, which I would recommend, which is already in my strong buy list. Okay. And the mutual funds are also buying those shares. I will try to put this on the app. I will show you how you can get this from the app also. विकास उसमें डेट डलवा के F2 का करवा देना, डेट भी नहीं है.
Yes.
डलवा के करवा दो.
ठीक है.
You can see the data on the app also, these 48 companies. Can you go down? You can click a picture of the share name. KEI, IEX, Cholafin, Canfin, Radico, DCB, NHPC, Dixon, Kajaria, Persistent, Rights, Kianar Construction, Orient Electric, Amber, Nilkamal, Atul, Shriram, Shree Cement, Finpipe, Sonata, Godfrey, Lux, SGVN, Ratnamani, Castrol, Galaxy, Heidelberg, Engineers, Titan, Webhub, Reddit Access, ICG, Fine Organic, Endurance, JB Pharma, Chem, LTTS,
Balkishan.
Laxo, Wipro, Whirlpool, LT and Esco. So these are my strong buys and buys also. And mutual fund, take mutual fund above 1%, na better.
Okay.
So 1% कर दो ना. So थोड़ा short, थोड़ा better हो जाए. I'll give you a better way. At least 1% buy should be there. Institution भी 1% कर दो. So these are both 1% more than. So this is a better list. I would prefer this list. KEI, IEX, Cholafin, Canfin, Radico, NHPC, Dixon, Kajaria Ceramic, Persistent, Rights, Amber, Nilkamal, Atul. Right? But again, I repeat to everyone, March results can be a veil. March holdings, not very important. If the same thing would have come in June, I would definitely buy those shares. I would know that which share the institutions are entering and which shares they're exiting. Okay, now please show the opposite. What have they sold? Highest MF sold. This is the highest MF?
Yeah, highest MF. I have to take all negative, both negative, na?
Both negative, yeah.
Doing.
NIT, do you have NIT? Because I was seeing NIT was 26%. Sumesh, can you just check NIT is there or not? You did not get time to check. NIT Technology.
Yes. Not much.
Huh?
Not much.
So we are showing 35% in the app. What is that?
Yeah, annually it has gone down.
Huh?
In March 19, it had 56% of holding.
And quarter?
After that, it has declined to 21%.
So from quarter to quarter, it is not down.
No, quarter to quarter, it's okay.
Okay, so they have already sold that before. Sumesh, you had this question. Can you put Sumesh online?
Yeah. Yes. Sumesh, you can speak now.
Yes, can you hear me?
Sumesh,
Yes.
as we were discussing, December
just saw
to
that,
March,
yes.
there is no change.
Right,
That
I
was
just saw
sold
that.
in the previous quarter, not in this quarter.
Right,
There is a yearly change, but it is not changed in the previous quarter.
right.
So it was sold before. Maybe something happened. October, no, it could have happened. It is not the latest quarter. Latest quarter, there is no change.
Okay,
In
I
fact,
see.
latest quarter, they've increased.
Slightly.
Latest quarter, they've increased actually.
Yeah, slightly. MF has
So
sold.
December to March quarter, I see a slight reduction.
No, total, if you see, you have to see the total also. That is
Total
what I'm
also.
teaching right now. The
Total
total is more
total
important
is
than MF.
Yes, okay.
Total is total. MF has sold, but FPI is
Yes.
bought. So total
Right.
is more important than MF.
Right.
Okay. Okay, now put the minus ones. Let's see the minus ones.
Yeah.
Put it from the highest minus, MF highest minus.
Yes.
So
First
you
check.
have to see both minus and both plus.
$95 companies are like this.
Okay, so if you see both minus,
Yes.
MF is sold 4% and total also minus, and we are in our category also sell. So there is only one buy, which is APL Apollo. Okay, APL Apollo, if you see one buy, then we have a strong buy Kolpal.
Slightly it has gone down.
But make it more than 1%. Na, nahi to bahut problem hoga.
Okay.
Don't put anything less than 1%. Anything less than 1%, don't bother, because some institution changes will always happen. Always take more than 1%, or we'll get very confused. There will always be some selling buying going on. Now this is better. If you see, we only have one buy. This is APL Apollo more than 1%, and another is
FDC.
So out of the total companies which we had already categorized, only 2 companies we should be more careful if we have bought it: FDC and APL Apollo.
APL Apollo.
APL Apollo and FDC. These are the only 2 concerns we have. So when you see each share, you have to see minus properly. If you don't see the minus properly, then we'll make a mistake. Okay. So definitely, and most of the companies which they are selling are already sell in the app. If you see, we only got 2 buy, if you observe, and then we have some, most are sell, hold with caution, and most are hold, only 2 buy. Right? So this is how you study the institution data. Okay. So total is important then. Yes, that's correct, Ashish Pal. Total means everything. What is total? Again, I'll repeat for everybody's benefit. What is total? Show them the PPT and please take a picture of the PPT. So I'll answer this question to 71 people. That is why we give the total. Total means total of all. Can you see the screen? Mutual fund, alternate, foreign, in fact, banks, insurance companies, provident fund. This is called total. Okay. So you have to see, because there are certain insurance companies also buy and sell share. There are so many ULIPs going on in the market. There are banks also which also buys and share sells. Okay. So total is the most important. Clear? Ashish Pai, does that answer your question? So we have given MF, FPI, others, because other data is not available publicly to anyone. And then you have the total. So if the total is plus and the MF is plus, then that share is good. MF is plus, but the total is minus, that share is not good. You have to be very careful. And this data is not shown when people release the data on TV. They tell you MF is buying, MF is buying. But you have to see whether the total is buying or not. I have learned this from experience. So I made a lot of mistakes. From that mistake, I've corrected it. But when I've seen MF is buying, FPI is buying, and total also plus, if all 3 is plus, that is fantastic. So any company with strong buy, and with these 3 all plus, super validation. Yeah, best case, that's true, Ashish Bhai, correct. That's correct. Best case is all positive. We don't answer personal questions, Anupji. Personal share questions I don't answer in seminar. We understand concepts. If you want, if you go to my app, it all tell you buy, hold, buy. Everything is there in my app. And you are a customer. Just go to Tata Motors and then decide what is there. Already the categorization is given very clearly. we do not see you in TV channels. I don't like to come on TV channels. Because in TV channels, I have to talk what the TV wants me to say. Okay, and I cannot lie. I have to give the truth. So I cannot lie, go on TV and say lie, buy this share, because they will pay me to tell you to buy this share. Even if the share fundamental is bad, they will tell me to buy the share. Okay, so all are not. All I will not agree. Certain people are quite honest, but please be careful. Whenever you get anything on TV, validate it on the app. Whether it is buy, sell, hold with caution and sell. We have given it very clearly in 5 parameters. So the category is already given on the app, whether the share is good, it is a strong buy, it is a buy. These two there is there. That means the fundamentals is good of the company. Okay, the fundamental is good. One thing very, very important I want to show in the app. Can you show the first page of the app?
Yes.
Exit and click exit and risk parameters. So one thing which I have said very, very risky. If you see 0 MF holding, 0 institution holding. So if there is 0 institution holding and 0 MF holding, don't buy that share. You will be the safest. It is a very simple. And I have seen people lose a lot of money when they invest in companies which have 0 MF holding and 0 institution holding. Ashish Pal. Yes, I agree with you. I have observed many recommendations on TV sell. Recommendation or your good. Can you put Ashish Pal? This is good learning for everyone.
Yes, yes.
Can you put Ashish Pal online? I think so. Everybody should listen to Ashish Pal, and you should validate how TV, Economic Times, Money Control can really make you a bad investor.
Yes, Ashish
I
Pal.
don't want to, again, I have deep respect for them because I am on, but you are this, that is the reality.
Hello everyone. Very good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, Ashish Pal.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I completely agree with you. I have observed many of the recommendation on morning shows on TV channels, and they are recommending that. And when I see those recommendation on our app, that is sell. And when I see in the evening, the recommendation is completely wrong and in line with our app.
Okay. So, so you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. Very, very careful. All of them, whenever you see anything, but there are many times the good people also come. There are some very good fund managers. Their name we have given in the app. You should follow these fund managers. If you want to know real research, I'll tell you the names of the fund managers you should follow. Show them the app.
Hello.
Please
Hello.
show the app, please.
Yeah, app.
Go to MF. Fund managers. So if you see, these are the top fund managers in the country who are done very well. Vineet Sambre, Shreyas, Dinesh Gopani, Anup Upadhyay, they are managing 10-20,000 crore rupees. I highly recommend that you should follow these people. You follow these people, you will get better knowledge. You follow somebody else, they will trap you, they will never give you right knowledge. Okay, so these people are most safer to follow because when they come on TV, because they're handling public money, they have to be very, very efficient. Follow them on Twitter, follow these people. Rather than listening to anyone, follow them. They are managing more than 2-3 lakh crore rupees of public money. 2-3 lakh crores of public money is a huge money. They have to be highly be responsible. Can you repeat how to see this fund manager? It is so easy. Meghna ji, have you not taken my training? You just go click, go step by step and announce it. Na? Click,
Yeah,
search
we are on
mutual
the
fund. Nah, wahi, theek hai. Search mutual fund. And then just click fund managers. That's it. You will get in 2 clicks. Is it clear, Mr. Meghnath? How does their average return? Because their average returns are negative. That's why it shows negative. Shamlavadin, I don't understand your question. Okay. So mutual funds are very important. Any other questions for everyone? Can you explain search and compare schemes? Search and compare schemes. नीचे आओ उसमें वो जो compare करो ना compare इसमें डाल दिया क्या mutual funds हाँ ये रहा. You can just put the scheme name and compare. Just put like you want to compare HDFC. Just compare any company. HDFC PSU with click करो with IDFC PSU करो. Just and compare. Not just compare. Two. Take 2 only, right?
yeah.
You just compare what is the total. You will understand everything. So you can compare 3 schemes at one time. Madhukar Karat, Tamal, why have we not given app training to them? Madhukar Karat. We give app training, we give 20, 30 app training every day, Madhukar ji. Please call up and take training. Can you please give your number? I will give you training right now. We give training every day. This is my job. Tamal, please give training to Madhukar Karat. He's given his number. Please give training to Madhukar Karat. Same way I was asked to compare the stocks in the same sector like the MF. We have not made that yet. So when we will make it, we'll show it. Prasanna Desai also wants training. Who wants training? Who wants training? Mr. Ashok Banerjee, have you purchased it's a yearly subscription? Because I heard you've still not purchased it. Have you purchased it? Okay. Mitesh, I want training. Mitesh Gala, me too. Tamal, please give them my month training. Na? So many people are writing. I have a question. Yes, Mr. Madhusudan, go ahead.
Yes.
Invest. Yeah, it is going to come. The new back-tested Roshan is going to come. Now we have done the back-tested, so now it is going to come. So many people need training, Tamal. No problem. You can take it again, Rajesh Chaudhary. Please take app training. There is a lot of things on the app. It has been developed over 9-10 years of research. So obviously it will take you at least 3-4 times you take training. That is what we can give you. No problem. Yeah, we have ratings on mutual fund. Vivek, show them the ratings.
Yeah.
We have ratings. Vivek. Rating उसमें individual भी तो rating है.
हाँ.
बंद क्यों कर दिया?
As a rating like this.
If you see 2-star, 4-star, if you can see, for everything there is a rating. 2-star, 4-star rating is there. Mr. Vivek Vedya. Rating is there. I highly recommend, sir. I see one is a free training which is given by my person, but I highly recommend join my 5-day program. We will spend 15 to 17 hours together, and I will give you a very, very deep understanding on many things. Take that training so that you become more confident. Okay? And it's not only about training of the app, it's about training, understanding the financial markets. So the program is starting from 25th. For paid customers, it is 5,000 rupees. Please join the program. Gold still looks good to me. I'm still a gold guy. I'm still good. Gold looks good to me. So stop loss and resistance levels on the app do not match with money control or investing.com. Okay. Mr. Praveen Chachad, I did a 5-year research. So I also applied for a patent. So my support resistance levels are more accurate because it is coming from experience and research. Okay, Madhukar Karat wants to do the 5-day program. Please send them the link. What is the difference? The difference is the new questions, new data, and every time there is because the financial market is huge, Abrahamji. So obviously, there will be something new to learn. But if you already have the videos, you don't need to, you have to see the video, and if you have questions, then you come back. It's up to you. But what many people who have attended the program, they've attended again and again, because every program has a new thing. Like this time, we'll be giving a lot of mutual fund training also, because the data is available. Last time, the data was not there. So whenever I want to give you, I want to share new data with you. Yes, we are on YouTube also. Just put Shailesh Sharaf and you'll come to my YouTube channel. Okay, just Tamal, if you're saying, just send it to Mahesh Vartak. Okay, so we already at 6:34. Shall we close the session? I highly recommend, please join the 5-day program. Anybody who wants to share something about the 5-day program so that others are inspired? Can I request somebody to share about the 5-day program who did it so that others are inspired to do it? I recommend anybody. Parag is there. Abraham Chandi is there. Chandan is there. Sumesh is there. I can. Parag, can you put Parag online? Vikash, can you put Parag online?
Yeah, Paragji can speak through video chat also.
Yeah, so put him on video chat.
Yeah, so he can start his video also.
If you want, you can start your video also, Paragji. Then can you put Satish Kurlana?
Yeah.
Just put them on video chat, na? They can see.
Yeah, they are on video chat. If you want, he can start.
You can put it on your video also.
Yeah, I have started my video as well as audio.
Yes, Paragji.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So I am in the market from my age of 20. Today I'm 53. So I'm doing a lot of research in mutual fund, then direct stocks, and also I have 3 PMS. But every time I always think that I am the best fund manager for myself. I have also done lot, but the way sir has given us the insight by way of the 5 principles that has gone deep down inside me, and now I do a lot of research before I take any call, and the confidence that it has imposed on me, it's tremendous. So I urge everybody, those who want to be their own fund manager and invest confidently, to take this 5-day training definitely. That is what I would like to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Paragji. Thank you so much.
Thank
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you put Satish
Yes.
also? Yes, Satishji. Can't hear you. Can you unmute? Please? Yeah. Now we can hear. Yes, please.
Last time I attended a 5-day session. It was very attractive and also helped me a lot. Previously, while investing in a mutual fund or stocks, we depend upon the information in TV channels like that. Now, after taking your strategies, I have taken 5 strategies from your end, sir. I have taken 5 strategies. Now I want to take some more strategies and learn in a good way. this helped me a lot, sir. I think I advised all the clients who are listening here to educate us first and take a session, sir. This is very useful for us, sir. In financial world, it is very useful for us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Satishji. Very great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Satishji. Thank you. So this was the thank you, Paragji and Satishji. So it was very nice that you could share. So please join the program, and I give you a complete money back guarantee. If you don't like it on Friday, I will return the money to you. So that is the confidence, and we're not charging much. It's only 5,000 rupees for paid customers. Okay. So Ashokji, please join the program and you'll understand what we are trying to teach you. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you for joining. Please join next. We will join if you join the program, or then we'll do next to next Tuesday. Thank you so much.